Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Temu app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on your down here. So when you click here on you, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go up of settings, you click on it here. So when you click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on notifications here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, you come here to avatar and username sharing, click here on edit, and it's going to show for you a list like this. You come here to avatar and username sharing, just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.